This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in your overall health. It helps your body convert the food you eat into usable energy, supports healthy nerve function, and maintains good skin. Understanding its forms and benefits is key to incorporating it effectively into your diet. Vitamin B3 comes in several forms, including niacin, niacinamide, and inositol hexanicotinate, each with unique properties. While niacin is known for its flush effect, niacinamide generally does not cause it. For adults, the recommended daily intake is around 14 to 16 milligrams. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best form and dosage for your individual health needs. Beyond energy production, vitamin B3 contributes to healthy digestion and a well-functioning nervous system. However, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. High doses of niacin can cause a temporary niacin flush, characterized by redness and warmth. To minimize this, start with a low dose and gradually increase it, or consider a non-flush form like niacinamide. To maximize your vitamin B3 intake, focus on a balanced diet rich in foods like chicken, tuna, salmon, peanuts, and mushrooms. If dietary intake isn't enough, supplements can be a helpful option, but always discuss this with your doctor. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and to grab your Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.